So while the drywallers are working in the shop and the painters are working in the suite getting things painted out, we're down here working on the septic system again. Got a couple hours to devote to this, so we're installing pumps. This one's a pump tank down by the bridge. It's just a lift pump, it doesn't need to be anything big. In fact, smaller is better for reduced water flows coming into the treatment tank so you don't agitate things too badly. This is just a 300-gallon pump tank here, and down in the bottom I got one of Liberty's 250 series pumps, I believe it is. It's a high efficiency pump. It's about the same as their regular performance is a little less than their regular 1/3 horse pumps, but it uses half the electricity. Going across the creek for dosing the field, we're going to try using an FL 100, LEH 100 I think actually, and see how that works out for our residual head pressures. So after working all day, we managed to get all the pumps installed, at least temporarily, in the case of the septic tank here. We got that hooked up temporarily to some power, and we tested it out, made sure we had our adequate residual head pressure at the field here, and balanced out all the zones so we got equal distribution of effluent. So next week we'll bring in the electricians, we'll do all the permanent wiring, hard wiring in the pumps, all the alarms, all the sensors, etc., and get everything all ready to roll. So last thing we need to do is make the connections across the bridge. We've got pipes sitting, run to both ends, and we've got brackets kind of half built, and maybe this weekend I'll find a few minutes to get those finished off, so next week we can install those and get the pipes run across and make the final connections. Once that's done, we are live, up and running. Water from the well and septic coming back across the creek. So it's been a pretty good week all in all. As you can see, it's a beautiful day. It's been nice to have more than 2 days of good weather strung together here. We've actually been able to get something done. Things are starting to dry out, and pretty soon we'll be able to start working on some grading around here a little bit more. So that's it for this week. We'll check in later.